Good afternoon. Myself Dr. M. Takle, Unit number 1, Sectional View. In previous some lectures, we studied what is meant by full section, half section, partial section, offset section. In this lecture, we will going to study revolved section. Now, just we will discuss about introduction of full section, in which one cutting plane is there and which is passes throughout from the component. In half section, two cutting planes are there which are perpendicular to each other, that quarter, that is quarter portion of the component is there. In case of partial section, if it is used for symmetrical components where only is half view is drawn. In case of offset section, the cutting plane is not in a straight line, it is offset, that is bending offset or bending section. Then here we will going to study revolved section. Revolved section is nothing but views, continued revolved section. Revolved sections are cross sections of an elongated form or object rotated towards the plane of projection to show its shape or contour. It is clear that the revolved section is nothing but the elongated form or object rotated towards the plane of projection to show its shape or contour. That is, when cut section is taken of the component, because some examples are there, when some component is cut, then its cross section is drawn by rotating its view. Draw a cutting plane perpendicular to the axis of an object and revolve the plane 90 degrees around a center line and at a right angle to the axis. Now, cutting plane taken, and when the drop a cutting plane perpendicular to the axis. Cutting plane is taken perpendicular to the axis of the object and revolve the plane 90 degrees around a center line. Center line is there, and along that you have to rotate that cutting plane by 90 degrees and at a right angle to the axis to draw the revolved section. It is one of the example in which octagonal part is taken. Now, by considering, suppose it is a one of the material, like it is a shape is like Allen cube shape. One correct method is there, one incorrect method is there. But before that correct and incorrect method, we will going to study what is meant by revolved section. Here, axis is there, and along the axis, cutting plane is shown here there. And in the revolved section, the cutting plane is revolved 90 degrees to show the cross section of the component. The difference between these two images is, first is a correct image, second one is incorrect image. In a second image, in that revolved section, lines are shown which is incorrect method. But in case of first drawing, in a revolved section, the lines are not shown which is a correct method. The simply drawn is that when cutting plane, the vertical axis shown that cutting plane, when the component cut through that cutting plane, we can't understand its side view. But for understanding of its side view, the vertical cutting plane is there, and when the vertical cutting plane is cut, then its cross section is there. And to draw this cross section, the perpendicular plane is taken to that cutting plane, or that cutting plane is rotated by 90 degrees to draw the cross section view. It is one of the example of revolved section. By considering second example, just like a connecting rod, its isometric as well as orthographic view is shown. Now, considering that isometric view, the cutting plane is taken at the center, and considering that orthographic view of the component, the edge view of cutting plane is shown when the component cut at that edge view or that cutting plane as shown in isometric view. By going to its top view, cutting plane is revolved. I already told that revolve section is nothing but we have taken one cutting plane, then we have to revolve that cutting plane by 90 degree to show the isometric view, to show the revolved section of the component. When the cutting plane is revolved through 90 degree and the section, that cross section of the component is drawn by that revolved section, which is shown by sectional view. It is the one of the method of revolved view. The main advantage of this method is that we easily understand the cross section, the cross sectional shape or cross sectional size of the component through that revolved section. Again, some revolved section views are there. Here the placement of revolved section shown in a sketch. It is nothing but superimposed to orthographic view and break from orthographic view. There are two methods. We have to superimpose and second one is a break from orthographic view. One isometric view is shown, cylindrical portion is there and in front there is a hexagonal shape is there. Two methods are there, superimposed. When cutting plane is taken on that cylindrical surface and it is revolved by 90 degree for understanding the cross section of the component as shown in a superimposed view. The hexagonal section is there and the cylindrical surface is there and the cutting plane is rotated by 90 degree and the cross section of that is nothing but circle, which is shown in figure by hatching line. And second one method is a break method, that is revolved break method is there. That hexagonal part is there, then it is cutting plane is shown which is revolved by 90 degree to show the break of revolved section. These are the two methods or placement of that revolved section is shown in figure. Again, one of the example of fork shown is here. Steps given in a construction, how that revolved section is drawn and that how that section lines are drawn. In isometric view, the cutting plane is taken in the center as shown in a figure. To understand the cross section of this geometry, the orthographic view is shown. Now, orthographic front view and top view is there, and according to that, the cross section cutting plane is shown in a figure. In orthographic, in top view, the cutting plane is shown, and for understanding purpose, for better understanding purpose, the cutting plane is cut in a center and revolved by 90 degree, and as shown in an isometric view, the cross section of this fork is I section, which shown in a figure. Cross section of this component is I section. The projection lines and where it is cut through that projection lines is shown in a front view, and in a top view that that revolved section is shown. The one main thing is that revolved section used only when for better understanding of shape and size or geometry of the component, the revolved section is drawn, the cutting plane is taken and it is rotated by 90 degree and drawn its revolved section. Here eye of fork is taken for revolved section. Its concept and example is shown in figure. A section view is made by revolving the cross section view. The cross section view is shown in a isometric view, that cutting plane. A section view is made by revolving the cross section view 90 degree about a cutting plane line and draw on the orthographic view. Now, from this figure it is clear that the cutting plane is taken on that isometric view, and when that cutting plane is rotated by 90 degree to draw an orthographic view as shown in a orthographic projection. By considering figure number 1, which is isometric view, the cutting plane is taken, and when it is cut, the section line shows the cutting geometry of the component at the cutting plane. The first view is drawn at orthographic view by without considering its revolved section, that is simply orthographic projection. One front view and one top view is there. The A and B are the dimension of the component, but from this figure here the revolved section is not taken, but by considering figure number B, the revolved section is taken in the picture. When that cutting plane is shown in the center, by considering top view of that isometric view, when it is cut, its width is shown by that dotted lines, and when the same component cut from the front side, and how it looks like is orthographic projection or is revolved section is shown in the figure. Then from it is clear that where we are taking that cutting plane, which highlighted in the orthographic projection, its dimension are they highlighted in the orthographic projection, because from that cutting plane the geometry will be defined. The second part, it is parallel to revolved section, is one of the example of removed section. That is, next part is a removed section. Views continued a removed section or a removed section is a section or partial section not directly projected from the view containing the cutting plane and not revolved or turned from its normal orientation. Here now, in case of revolved section, we are taking one cutting plane, we are revolving it to 90 degree and we are drawing its projection there. But in case of removed section, it is a continuous removed section, and a removed section is a section or a partial section not directly projected from the view containing the cutting plane. Not directly projected, where we are taking that cutting plane, it is not directly projected from that, and it is not revolved, it is not rotation is there, when it turn is there from its normal orientation. By considering this same example of that Allen-key octagonal, when section cut at AA, how it looks like, or that section AA is drawn on the other side, any side of that nearby that figure. By considering B example, when it is cut, that the section remains same. The main difference between revolved section and removed section is that in case of revolved section, we are taking cutting plane and we are revolving it or rotating it 90 degree to understand its internal geometry. But in case of removed section, the projected cutting plane is taken and that projection is not projected, that is the geometry is drawn somewhere and it is shown by section AA. Is the main difference between a revolved section and removed section. Either you go with removed section or revolved section is just for understanding the geometry of the cross section. Depends on our application, we are going to use revolved section or removed section. Again, it is one of the good example which shows the comparison between revolved section and removed section. Now removed section, its comparison with a revolved section. In a left hand side, revolved section is there, and in right hand side, a removed section is there. The isometric view is shown in figure. It's revolved, and it's in the revolved section the cutting plane is taken on that plane diameter, and one section is taken on that octagonal hexagonal surface. The first one is a cutting plane taken on that cylindrical surface. When it is cut at that cylindrical surface, the cutting plane is tilted by or rotated by 90 degree and its geometry is drawn in as shown in an orthographic view. From this it is clear that its cross section is a circle. But considering the figure number 2, removed section, in isometric view, the removed section is drawn, and in case the cutting plane is shown in figure, and when it cut, we can draw its removed section anywhere on the figure, and you can say that it is a section XX, or depends on section YY what we are giving to that. From it is clear that revolved section is a cutting plane, and for understanding of its internal geometry, we are tilting or rotating that plane to 90 degree and we are drawn this geometry near on that surface. But in case of removed section, there is no tilting, there is no rotation of cutting plane is there. For understanding of that cross section, when cutting plane is taken, we can draw its section outside that drawing. Again, it is one of the example of or comparison between a revolved section and removed section. There are some advantages of removed section, and these are: removed section technique can improve reading of the orthographic view. From it is clear that one example is taken, considering it is one of the part in which its revolved as well as removed section is there. One cutting plane is taken, vertical cutting plane, its orthographic projection is shown, front view and top view. Then that cutting plane is rotated to 90 degree and its cross section is drawn in case of revolved section. But in case of removed section, the cutting plane is taken and that cross section is drawn to somewhere else. In case of revolved section, we are drawing that section on that view itself. But in case of removed section, we are drawing this view outside that orthographic projection. So in case of revolved section, the geometry becomes or sketch becomes too much typical to read. But in case of in case of removed section, it is become very easy to read because that cross section of the component is drawn somewhere else. Is the main difference between revolved section and removed section. From this figure, we will say that again, removed section technique can improve a reading of the orthographic view. Again, one of the example of removed section used for the same purpose as a rotated section, but the section is removed and placed adjacent to the drawing of the part. The cutting plane with reference letters shall be mentioned. Here, the cutting plane with letters A is mentioned. The front view and top view of the component is taken. Here, cutting plane A, that is sectional plane A, is there and used for the same purpose as rotated section. At rotated section, the same purpose is used, but the section is removed. That section of the part is removed from that component and placed adjacent to the drawing of the part, and we are placing somewhere else, that is adjacent to the drawing. From it is clear that cutting plane A is there, the geometry is shown in figure, that is section A, and which is drawn adjacent to the figure. But in case of revolved section, we are going to draw this geometry near to that section A, so that orthographic view become unsuitable to read or very difficult to read. But in case of removed section, we are adjusting this cross section to somewhere else, so it becomes very easy to read. Again, one example, isometric view is there, cutting plane A is there, then four technique shown, good technique shown. In a four technique, that revolved section is there. In a four technique, revolved section drawn in the figure. But in case of second sketch, the removed section is there. Removed section is removed. That section name is given section A as shown in figure. Again, one of the good example of shown that revolved section as well as removed section. One isometric view is there, cutting plane is there, which is rotated by 90 degree, and it is this figure A is a concept of revolved section, and figure C is a concept of a removed section. Okay, thank you.